Welcome into 4 Farrington Court. We're inside today because it's a hot Georgia day. I want you to check out this house. It's over 2,100 square feet, located in Guyton, Georgia, in the pool community of Crossgate. We have 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and this house is move-in ready. Check it out. Run, don't walk to 4 Farrington Court in Guyton, Georgia. I'm Ricky Eilerman with Coast & Country Real Estate Experts. Let's do real estate right.